Maybe you are in the school situation or work or whatever, at nahihirapan ka magpasalamat. Okay? But still, sabi ng scriptures, in everything, give thanks. Okay? Now, Pastor, di mo naintindihan kasi yung aking kinalalagyan, masyadong malupit yung persecution doon. Yeah, I could only imagine, sorry, wala ako doon sa situation mo na yun. But I'm sure it is no accident why you are there. Maybe for now, kailangan mo tiisin yun. But also understand that God is of course sovereign. There are people in that place na maaaring hindi mo siguro, hindi makakakilala sa Panginoon except because of the fact na nandun ka. So don't be unfaithful to the Lord. Amen? Be grateful to God. Amen po ba? Alright? So let's start with that. So, let's be faithful. Kung ano naman yung pinagkatiwala sa inyo ng Panginoon. And if you try to compare yourself with others, doon mag-umpisa rin yung ungratefulness eh. Okay? If you say, buti pa si Zep, ang ganda ng boses. Ba't ako wala akong ganong boses? Well, pasalamat kami na hindi ganun ang boses mo, you know? And we're so thankful to God, okay? Maybe hindi ka talaga binigyan ni Lord na ganong klaseng gift. But maybe there's something else na mayroon kang kakayanan. Amen po ba? Alright? So be faithful to that.